Ever been caught in a storm so fierce you thought the world was ending? We've all seen the headlines: earthquakes ripping through cities, hurricanes swallowing coastlines, tornadoes tearing across the plains. These natural disasters are a raw, untamed force, a stark reminder of how powerful nature can be. We're diving headfirst into the heart of natural disasters. Get ready to learn, to be amazed, and to have your preconceptions shattered. By the end of this journey, I'll reveal a secret about these disasters. A truth that might just change the way you see the world around you. Stay with me. It's going to be wild. When the ground shakes, imagine standing on solid ground 1 minute, then the earth starts bucking like a wild bronco. That's an earthquake, a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. It's like snapping a twig, but on a massive scale, with tectonic plates grinding and slipping past each other. Now the shocking fact: the biggest earthquake ever recorded, a magnitude of 9.5 monster that hit Chile in 1960. Now scientists are working tirelessly to predict these tremors, but it's a tough nut to crack. It's like trying to predict when a geyser will erupt. We know the signs, but the exact timing remains a mystery. Just recently, a 6.2 earthquake struck in Mexico. Have you ever felt the earth move beneath your feet? Share your experiences in the comments below. The wrath of the wind. A swirling vortex of wind and rain, hundreds of miles wide, bearing down on the coast. That's a hurricane, a monster storm born over warm ocean waters. They start as innocent thunderstorms, but with enough heat and moisture, they morph into these spinning behemoths. The most intense one ever recorded? Hurricane Wilma back in 2005, packing winds of a mind-blowing 300 kilometers per hour. But here's the thing, at the heart of every hurricane lies a calm center, the eye. It's a strange paradox, a zone of eerie stillness surrounded by utter chaos. Scientists are still trying to fully understand the dynamics of the eye and how it influences the storm's path. Recently, Hurricane Helene slammed into North Carolina, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Now, here's a question for you. Do you know the difference between a hurricane and a typhoon? Share your answer in chat box. Here is the answer. They are actually the same type of storm. A hurricane forms in the Atlantic Ocean and the Northeast Pacific Ocean. A typhoon forms in the Northwest Pacific Ocean. In other parts of the world, that means Indian Ocean and South Pacific. These storms are also called cyclones. Twisters of terror, tornadoes. Imagine a funnel of dust and debris, spinning faster than a Formula One car, tearing across the landscape. That's a tornado, a violently rotating column of air that descends from a thunderstorm. They're like nature's blender, capable of lofting houses and cars into the air. The fastest wind speed ever recorded in a tornado, a staggering 485 kilometers per hour, measured in the infamous Oklahoma City tornado of 1999. But here's the mystery. Why do so many tornadoes form in a specific region of the United States called Tornado Alley? Scientists are still trying to reveal the complex atmospheric conditions that make this area a breeding ground for these twisters. Just recently, a powerful tornado ripped through Irving, Texas, leaving a trail of devastation. Have you ever witnessed the raw power of a tornado firsthand? Walls of water, tsunamis. Picture a wall of water, taller than a skyscraper, crashing onto the shore with unstoppable force. That's a tsunami, a series of waves triggered by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. It's like dropping a pebble in a pond, but on a colossal scale, with energy radiating outwards in all directions. The largest tsunami wave ever recorded, a staggering 1,720 feet high, triggered by a landslide in Lituya Bay, Alaska, back in 1958. But here's the challenge. Predicting tsunamis and giving people enough warning to evacuate is crucial. Scientists are constantly monitoring seismic activity and developing early warning systems to mitigate the devastating impact of these waves. Recently, a tsunami struck the coast of Japan's Noto Peninsula, reminding us of the immense power of the ocean. Do you live near a coastline? It's a stark reminder that we're all connected to the forces of nature. When Earth breathes fire. Volcanic eruptions. Imagine a mountain spewing molten rock, ash, and gas into the atmosphere, a fiery spectacle of both beauty and terror. That's a volcanic eruption, a release of pressure from deep within the Earth's core. It's like the Earth is exhaling, but instead of air, it's a fiery cocktail of molten rock and ash. The most powerful eruption in recorded history? The eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815, which plunged the world into darkness and caused a global cooling event. But here's the mystery that keeps scientists up at night. Supervolcanoes. These sleeping giants have the potential to unleash eruptions thousands of times larger than anything we've ever witnessed. Monitoring these behemoths and understanding their triggers is crucial for the future of our planet. Just recently, Hawaii's Kilauea volcano roared back to life, spewing lava and ash into the sky. It's a reminder that the Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing system. Do you want to learn more about volcanoes? We already have a detailed video. Watch the amazing facts about volcano. Check out the video link in the description and above in the card. Respect the wild. We've journeyed through the heart of some of nature's most powerful events, witnessing the destruction and the science behind it all. But the secret lies not in fearing these disasters, but in respecting them. These events, as destructive as they can be, are also a vital part of our planet's natural cycles. They remind us of our place in the grand scheme of things, urging us to prepare, adapt, and learn from their raw power. So, tell me about your experiences with natural disasters. Have you ever been caught in the crosshairs of nature's fury? Share your stories in the comments below. I'm sure you have enjoyed witnessing these raw powers of our amazing planet, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the wild world around us. See you next time.